What's up, Desert Ginger fans?
What's up, DJL 904 fans?
What up, Josh?
Who?
He ain't nobody.
Nobody.
You'll see. I'm just kidding. Hey, we're doing a little challenge today out here to Gunlock Reservoir. It's a cool, crisp morning. Temperatures in the 40s, maybe colder. I don't know. It's cold.
It's a little net.
But
Tidbit.
we're all from Florida originally, so that's pretty exciting, and get to try out some Utah fishing here at Gunlock. You know, Dev's fished with me before, and we'll see what Josh has got here. He was talking some crap the other day.
Just a little.
So
play.
we'll see what happens. Yeah, nice day, no wind. So we'll see you out on the water. What is up, guys? Oh, finally out on the water. So Josh and Dev are going to be fishing from Dev's little boat, and I'm going to be fishing by myself. I'm going to start off cranking here. We're about 18 feet deep, so I'm going to see what I got here. Cranking from the shallow to the deep. See if we can get anything on us. It's about, water temp out today is 53 degrees. It's pretty cold, if I must say so myself. Right up in there in the shallow. I might have to hoot and holler a little bit today, just because that's what Dev does. Dev's a hoot and holler, so you might be I might have to scream a little bit for the Florida boys. It's not really what I normally do. I like to just kind of stress relief fish, but we're hitting bottom hard there. Come out a little bit. Holy shit. My square bill just broke off and it went flying. I have to try and find some sand we can beach the old girl on so we can go get her. I gotta find my square bill. Oh sheesh, I walked right over it. Right here. Yeah, do a little inspection on her, make sure she's still okay. Bill's still intact. Yeah, freaking boat went out a little bit farther. Oh man, I'm gonna get my feet cold. At least 1 foot. Oh boy. Oh, that water's cold. Oh boy. Oh, that water's freezing. It's too cold to dry off. We'll just figure it out as we go. Fish on! Fish on! Oh, it's over 12 inches. Fish on! Catching them on those tungsten weights. It's 2 in the well. 2 in the well. Drag my weight across the bottom for a minute. How about catch a fish? Fourth fish of the day. Ow. I don't think this one took my worm. I don't think this one's quite the 12-inch minimum we agreed to. Nope. He's not. Let's throw another zoom worm on there. What'd y'all sissy lalas give up on real man fishing out there and decide to come flip? You ain't caught nothing yet? I got 4 fish already. I got 4 fish, but only 2 keepers. Dude, they were biting the drop shot today. Dev, I gotta redeem myself against you from last time too. There you go. You snagged? You snagged?
There was a fish,
Got one. Probably 2.5. Freaking choked it, man.
That a fish? That's a fish. Oh, I'm around trolling water, damn it.
Got you. Got you, bro. Got you. You still on?
Yep.
That's how we do right there. That's how we do right there.
He might be 12 inches.
Oh, yeah.
He might, no, that's 10. That's a 10. That's a 10. Hey, skunk off the boat!
Teamwork, Dad. Good shit. Good shit.
10. Finally, though.
Did you say skunks out the boat? How big was it? Not even a keeper, huh? What's up, guys? Little midday update. Caught, I think, 6 fish so far. I just barely released the ones I had in the live well. I caught one. Dev caught one. He's over here. Him and Josh. I caught a couple on the crankbait, and I caught most of them, I think, on the drop shot. The drop shot's been kind of killer. You know, with the water temp slowing down, I was like, you know, I'll throw the drop shot today and see what happens, and caught fish. So flipping the trees really hasn't been that great today. At least for me, I only caught, I think, 1 or 2 fish off of it, but overall it's been a good day, and still got a couple more hours of fishing, so I'll get back to it.
There's another one. Come out there, Dad. Come out there. Come out there, Dad.
Ah!
Oh, that's a big,
Yeah, baby!
that's fish of the day.
Yes!
That's big fish of the day.
Oh, I got shit caught up in my... Oh! Woo! Nom, nom, nom.
How'd your day go, Josh?
Got better. Like even one is better.
Dev?
Well, I caught 2 keepers and one not a keeper, but fish is fish.
That's fact.
So I caught the most fish today.
About time.
Dad's giving me crap because he caught more last time.
Yeah.
But really, this is the guest of honor here.
The real loser here.
Yeah.
Somebody's got to do
When
it,
you
right?
talk crap and you can't catch a single fish.
Yeah. Credibility goes down a little bit.
Oh man! At least you got a luscious ginger beard. That's the thing he's got going for you. That's the only thing he's got going for him. So great day today out to nice sunny Gunlock today. We'll go with that because I was having a struggle right there talking.
Those Florida boys in our lingo.
Yeah, yeah. My mind's going faster than my lips. But great day out here. The wind picked up a little bit, so we decided to get off the water.
Yeah.
And then as soon as we get off the water, it stops, and now it's
For the
nice
most
and
part.
calm again.
Yeah.
But you know, we had a great day, great fun. Hope you guys tons of fun, he says. And hope you guys enjoy the footage, and we'll catch you on the next one.